At Volvo Cars, we have always put people first. Our aim is to provide freedom to move in a personal, sustainable and safe way. We do this by putting your needs first, using the best available technology to serve you, developing new technology where none already exists, and combining technologies to deliver new experiences. The aim of this short film is to enhance your Volvo ownership experience by highlighting all the sources of information available in order to answer any questions you may have. Owner's information is available in several different product formats, both digital and printed. The owner's manual is available in the car's center display, as a mobile app, and at volvocars.co.uk in the Own menu. For a fully interactive version in your car, drag down the top view in the center display and then tap on Owner's Manual. Other printed supplements to the Owner's Manual, including a quick guide, are in the glove box. Other ways to access information are via the App Store or Google Play. Search for Volvo Manual, download the app to your smartphone or tablet, and select your model and model year. Available in the app are video tutorials and options for visual navigation, with exterior and interior images of the car. The content is searchable and various sections are designed to facilitate navigation. In addition, by visiting volvocars.co.uk, Owner's Manual, once you've selected your model and model year, amongst other information, you will find the guide, with further tutorials and videos regarding your Volvo. To further enhance your ownership experience, Volvo ID gives you access to a wide range of personal Volvo services. For example, unique content for you and your car, accessible at volvocars.co.uk, apps in the car's center display, and the ability to schedule service and repairs. For information on Volvo ID and how to set it up, go to volvocars.co.uk, Own, My Volvo, Manage Volvo ID, and click on What is Volvo ID? A Volvo ID is needed to use the Volvo OnCall app, downloadable from the App Store or Google Play, which allows you to remotely check and control your car. Volvo OnCall adds a new dimension to your Volvo experience, with a whole host of useful remote functionalities. You can preheat or cool your car, send destinations to the census navigation, and even locate your car in a car park, for example. In addition, Volvo OnCall has an integrated emergency and roadside assistance service. Volvo OnCall also makes it possible to connect your car over the internet to 3G and 4G mobile broadband. This turns your car into a Wi-Fi hotspot that can be accessed by everyone in your car. When your retailer activates the Volvo OnCall system, you will receive an automatically generated PIN code for Volvo OnCall. This PIN code is used for security reasons to identify the owner of the car or other approved person, such as a family member, and works like the car key. For full information on the many functions and benefits of Volvo OnCall, go to volvocars.co.uk, Own, Volvo OnCall. There is also a printed guide with the owner's handbook in your glove box. At Volvo Cars, we believe that technology should set us free, not restrain us. Our goal is to make your life easier and more enjoyable, and to give back the sense of joy and freedom that the car represents.